Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, it is our second lecture about different parts of a sentence. Previously, we talked about subject of a sentence and predicate of a sentence. Now follow the optional parts of a sentence. The first optional part of a sentence is object. Objects are noun phrases included in the predicate. Well, remember, the objects are noun phrases included in the predicate. They are the things being acted upon by the verb. The example given below is about direct object. I bought the book. The book is the object in this sentence, which is directly related or indicated by the verb bought. The cat caught the mouse. The mouse is the object used in this sentence and it is directly related with the verb caught. Similar is the case with the third example given here. She spilled the milk. What is spilled? It is milk. The milk noun is directly related to the verb spilled used in this sentence. So, the book, the mouse, and the milk used in these sentences are objects and they are direct objects used in these sentences. Afterwards follows indirect object. It includes more information about the person or thing towards which the action is directed. This indirect object includes more information about the person or things towards which the action is directed. The example is he bought me the gift. What is bought? It is the gift, which may be taken as direct object of the verb. However, he bought me. Me cannot be bought, so the me is the indirect object used in this sentence. Complement is the second optional part of a sentence. Complements modify the subject by describing it. Well, complements modify the subject by describing it. The example given below are these three sentences in which complements are used to describe the subjects of these sentences. I am a teacher. A teacher describes the subject, the pronoun I used in this sentence. He was the laziest person. The laziest person is describes the pronoun he used as a subject in this sentence. And similarly, the man seems smart. The smart describes the noun the man used as a subject of this sentence. So, a teacher, the laziest person, and smart are complements used in these sentences which describe their subjects. Complement well is the second optional part of a sentence. The next optional part of a sentence is modifier. Different modifiers are also optional part of a sentence. These modifiers are adjectives, which modify nouns and pronouns used in a sentence. Adjectives are modifiers which modify nouns and pronouns, and adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. The examples of these two sentences given below indicate the blue boat sank. The the adjective blue modifies the noun boat used in this sentence, and the boat slowly sank slowly modifies the verb sank used in this sentence. Blue is adjective and slowly is adverb. Blue modifies the noun boat and slowly adverb modifies the verb sank used in this sentence. The last example of option or the last optional part of a sentence is adverbial. When a group of words in the predicate explains how, when, where, or why the action was performed, they are known as adverbial. When a group of words in the predicate explains how, when, where, or why the action was performed, they are known as adverbial. Here below given are these sentences to signify adverbials. She exercised in the morning. When did she exercise? In the morning. In the morning answers the question when. The child ran to the father for help. To the father for help answers the question why. I skipped school because I was sick. Because I was sick, adverbial phrase answers the question why. Why did I skip the school? Because I was sick. So in the morning, to the father for help, and because I was sick, answer the questions why and when. These are adverbials used in this sentence. Dear students, let me recall to you again the essential part of a sentence. First, it was subject, if you remember. The second was predicate of the sentence. Afterwards followed optional parts. The first optional part we talked about was object. The second optional part we the second optional part was complement. Third, modifiers, and last one, adverbial. Dear students, if there are any questions, please do ask. Inshallah, soon we will follow our next lecture. Thank you. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.